Hello, class 12 computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today I am going to explain topic sorting. Now define of sorting is sorting in computer terms means arranging data elements in a specific order, either ascending order, that is increasing order, or descending order, that is decreasing order. For example, a list of elements are 4, 6, 2, 8, 5, 1. All the elements are in unordered form. Now, after sorting technique, list elements are arranging either ascending order, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, or descending order 8, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. This is the concept of sorting. There are so many types of sorting techniques. Here we use bubble sort technique to explain the concept of sorting technique. The concept of bubble sort technique is the basic idea of bubble sort is to compare two adjoining values and exchange them if they are not in proper order. This is the concept of bubble sort. Now we discuss bubble sort technique with example. Sorting in ascending order using bubble sort. Support. Suppose list is 42, 29, 74, 11, 65 and 58. These are the list elements. Now arrange all the data elements in ascending order. So we use process as compare the elements in a specific way, which is using bubble sort technique. So in this technique we divide all the elements in passes form. Now first pass is here. Elements are 42, 29, 74, 11, 65 and 58. Now here for sorting we compare first two elements. If first element greater than second element, then swap both values. So here 42 greater than 29, condition is true, then both values are swapped. So result is 29, 42 and rest of the list remain same. Now first element is settled down, then second element and third element compared. If second element is greater than third element, then swap both values, otherwise ignore them and control transfer to next step. So here 42 greater than 74, this condition is false. So elements are remain same. Now next step, control compare to next two values, that is 74 and 11. 74 greater than 11, yes, then both values swap, that is exchange their positions. So list is 29, 42, 11, 74, both values exchange their place and remaining values are remain same. Now control transfer to next two values, that is 74 and 65. 74 greater than 65, yes, then swap both values. Now control transfer to next two values, that is 74 and 58. 74 greater than 58, yes, condition is true, then swap both values. Now after completing the first pass, largest value is settled at the end of the list, that is 74. Now again continue this process and passes are continued. Now second pass start. In the second pass, last value, which is largest value of the list, is remain constant position and other values are compared in the same manner, which is did in first pass. So 29, 42, 11, 65 and 58. These values are compared and 74 is remains same at their position. So after completing each pass, 1 values are settled down at their position, and after completing all the passes, list is sorted. So this process is written in the coding form. Here bubble sort technique coding is given as. Now first we accept list element from the user or directly assign to the programmer. So here all the elements are directly assigned. So list contains 4, 6, 2, 8, 5, 1. That is total 6 elements. Now first we print original list is list. So user display first original list. Then in the next element find the length of the list that is assigned in variable n. So here length of list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length of list is 6 which is assigned in n. Now execute here loop for accessing all the list elements. Here we use nested looping concept because one loop is used for passes and another loop is used for steps, because in each pass there are so many steps. So here first loop is used for passes and second loop inner loop is used for steps. First loop is execute from 0 to n minus 1, that is size minus 1, and another loop inner loop is executed by variable j, which is start from 0 to n minus I minus 1. This condition shows after completing each pass compares are less. That is after completing each pass one element are settled down at the end of the list and remaining comparisons are done. So J loop is used for steps. Now in the loop body comparison is given as list of j greater than list of j plus 1. That is first element is greater than second element, then swap both the values. So j value swap with j plus 1 and j plus 1 value swap with j. Now this process is continued till all the elements are sorted, and after completing this process outside the loop print list after sorting and display sorted list. This is the concept of bubble sort. Now output is displays original list is 4, 6, 2, 8, 5, 1. List after sorting 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. This is sorted list.